welcome back to another Computer Sluggish video. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified when I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to check out my social media channels. In today's video, I will be showing you how to install the Blizzard desktop app. To start off with, all you need to do is click on the link that's in the description below and you will end up on a page that looks like this. Once you are on this page, you now need to click on download for Windows and you need to go save file. Once the file has finished downloading, you now need to run the setup file and you now need to select your language and press continue. You now need to choose where you'd like to install the Blizzard app. I'm happy for it to be installed on my C drive. You now need to press continue. Once the install has finished, you will end up with a window that looks like this. You now need to sign into Blizzard, or if you don't have an account, you can click on create a free account down here. Once you have signed in, this is what you will end up with. And as you can see, it could not find any Blizzard games on my machine, but if you do have games on your machine, you can press locate and find the game. You can now press close. And we now have a list of games on the left hand side here that we own and we can install. And to top things off, at the moment you can actually install the Call of Duty beta by simply clicking on Call of Duty and then clicking on open beta, and we can press install. You can now choose where you'd like to install the game. As you can see, I don't have enough space on my C drive, so I'm going to actually change this to a different drive. Once you are happy with your settings, you can go ahead and press start install, and it will begin to install the game. If you go to the top, you can click on social, and you can go on to shop, and we can also go on to news. There's so many different things you can do in the Blizzard game launcher. This really is a fantastic launcher and I do highly recommend you give it a go. That is if there are any games in it that you actually like and want to purchase. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more Computer Sluggish tutorials. Don't forget to check out my social channels.